This next video contains some spicy language. Just thought I'd let you know in advance. And Daisy won't be listening to it either.
I have a friend of mine that's into the conspiracy theories. Well, granted, some of them are right, some of them are out there. We were talking the other night, and he mentioned about the spate of alien jellyfish-shaped spaceships that do the governments know? Couldn't have a clue. But his worry was that aliens from another society are going to come and get us. And I said to him, I thought about it for a minute. Well, you never know. But here, picture this. Do you think there is any society that could match us for destroying stuff? Oh, please. Picture this. The Klingon homeworld. All you'd have to do to beat the aliens is get all these CEOs in a room. Bunch of them sitting around, chairs, suits, and all that, listening to probably Joe Biden, because, well, the United States would have to run it, saying, well, we need to fight these people and we don't know how, so we're going to let you corporations put your companies and whatnot on the Klingon home world. We'd have them beat in no time. We'd have them addicted to drugs they don't need. We'd have, like, you'd see the first signs of the infection would be like the golden arches, followed by a smiley face. Then the drug companies would be moving in, military people. Klingons wouldn't stand a fucking chance against us. We're the most destructive pieces of shit in this galaxy. I'm thinking. Right, bud? I think so. Yeah. So all of you people that are worried about alien invasion, them taking over the planet and this and that, good luck with that, aliens. Yeah. You have not met anything more destructive than the human fucking race. We will wreck anything for a profit. Anything. So all you need to do is send these CEOs and tell them, Klingon homeworld is completely open. You're not going to have to pay any taxes, and you have no rules nor regulations. You know what happened? Before you got the word regulations out of your mouth, you'd have an empty room with a bunch of spinning chairs as these greedy motherfuckers were on their way out the door to instruct their people. Come on, we gotta go to the Klingon homeworld, and we're gonna take it over. And they would. I don't care what weapons space aliens have. I don't care. It's no match for the greed and stupidity of our fucking society. None. And I'm talking more Western society than anything. Because, well, for a lot of societies, it's just a cycle. But for us, Western society, this is what we live for. We wreck everything. Water. How can you fuck up water? Really? It's 2, 3 atoms stuck together. And we still manage to fuck it up. Well, we don't. Corporations do. Take Nestle, for example. They own fucking near everything. So, anyways, you guys have a good evening. I gotta get to work cooking, okay? Have a good one. Alrighty. We got this wonderful stuff made. Now we're going to apply some freshly shredded cheese. I don't know exactly what kind it is. I think it's cheddar. But here we go. And buddy, you know it's coming, don't you? You want some, dude? Roar, roar, roar. We got to go get Daisy first. Okay? Yeah. Look up here. Say hi to the world. Fuck you. Give me food. I know, Roderick.